So I was today years old when I found out the devastating news that you're not allowed to drink coffee during pregnancy. Oh my god, everyone's gonna think I'm pregnant now. Honestly, the day I become pregnant is the day I become a horrible person with no personality. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to have you all back here again. How are you? How are things? How are the kids? Can't wait to be that auntie who like posts on Facebook like love from Auntie Flossie and the kids. Ugh, the dream. Well, I say have kids, but that's if I'm able to beat my coffee addiction and give it up for 9 months to birth a child. Today's video is going to be a Nasty Gal haul. I want to say a massive thank you to Nasty Gal for working with me on this video. I've been doing Nasty Gal hauls for the longest time. The amount of money I have spent on that website, let's just say I would have been able to afford a small mortgage. Do you know what, actually, not even small, maybe moderately sized. I'm always so excited when I get the opportunity to work with them. They are genuinely one of my favourite online clothing shops. The quality is just stunning. Hi. Discount codes, you bet. So I'm here with a couple of discount codes for you all. You can use the code flossie55 to get 55% off for 48 hours only, so step on it. This discount code ends Sunday night, this coming Sunday at midnight, and after that you can use the code flossie, which will still get you 50% off. I know, you're welcome. That is quite enough of, I was about to say licking their bum hole, but that is really explicit and quite unneeded. I was about to say let's get started, but we kind of already are. Oh my god, someone needs to tell me to stop. The first thing I picked up is this gorgeous little, I really struggle with the angles, you know. The first thing I picked up is this gorgeous little, I don't know, it's kind of, I don't know how it will be showing up on camera, but it's like a muted neon, I would say, just little linen sundress. I love sundresses. If you guys watch my hauls, you will know I just love a cute, sweet little dress. In the summer, I'm kind of embracing my childhood again. Am I still a child? What does 19 class as? A child? A young adult? It's got a cute little square neckline. It would look cute with like a little tight cardigan, like, you know, tied. This is a frolicking dress, like the perfect, you know, frolicking through the cornfield. Who was it? Sophia and Cinzia are like, you know, you need to frolic in it, or like a dress to frolic in with a bunch of flowers, and this is exactly the visions I'm getting from that. I would say perfect for your summer holidays, but a slight problem with that one. All round, a big thumbs up. You just can't go wrong with these. And to the next outfit. Woo! I always want to lift up like the next item, but I don't want to give it away at the same time, so the suspense is killing me. I mean, this is like lime sundress meets, as Emma would like to say, garden party.
Yeah, and I think if I saw you at a garden party or something.
Garden party.
Garden parties, don't know what I think I am.
Honestly, I don't know where that garden party reference came from. I don't think I've ever been to a garden party in my life. A girl can dream. This next beautiful little sage, satin, cowled, bow, classy moment. Can you tell I got a 9? A 9. Did I really just say an 9 in English? Miss Gregory, honey, I'm sorry. I love this dress so much. I'm pretty sure this is from the Josephine collection. Josephine? Is she French? I don't know. Josephine has a bit more zest to it. Okay, that's enough of that. Anyway, this is from the Josephine collection. I think she has to be probably one of my favourite Instagrammers ever. The vibes are immaculate. I would expect nothing less from her. I love this so much. It's like adjustable bow. I probably haven't tied it the best because my answer to anything that makes me uncomfortable is just, it's probably one of my biggest personality flaws. I love it so much. It's so cute. It would look really cute with a chain belt. The slit is like in the perfect place. I just love it. It's classy. It could be dressed up, dressed down. Big thumbs up from me. Oh. Ooh. Comfy, but cute, but sophisticated, but playful, but sweet, but sexy. Sexy? The cleavage is not to be found. Whoa, the exposure really said hi. So I saw, I don't know why I'm like holding it together when I could just do up another button, you know? Problem solving 101. So I saw a play suit like this on Millie Hannah, which if you still don't believe God has favourites, just scroll through her Instagram a bit. Honestly, just, you know, it's a bit rude that I don't look like her, but that is a conversation for another day. I'm pretty sure she wore something like this. She actually did like a campaign with Nasty Gal in Sri Lanka. Not that I've like watched it 100 times crying like it like that. And I just thought it was fun. Like, you really can't go wrong with something like this. Only thing I will say is I do think it is a little bit too big. Sizing is something I really suffer. And I say I'm not dramatic. Sizing is something I do struggle with. I don't know. I must just have a weird body because I feel like things quite often don't fit, you know. That and the fact I'm really short. I bring this up every video. I'm not going to talk about it again, but homegirl's 5'3". Did I really just say homegirl? And ironically, ooh. But still, nonetheless, it's cute. And this sort of thing as well, I mean, it's supposed to be oversized. Like, it's so sweet, it's so comfy, you don't have to worry about it blowing up in the wind. It's really nice quality. It's like kind of a denim material. It looks nice with some like gold layered necklaces, as modelled by yours truly. So it does not look good with this hair though. Honestly, I promise you guys, like, I know this doesn't look good. You don't need to comment and tell me because I know, but I've been really struggling. I was sat in front of the mirror for like 45 minutes trying to do my hair. I think this is all the convincing you need to just not cut your own hair at home. Please wait it out. Big thumbs up from me. I just would have got a size down next time. So maybe size down. I don't know. With this next one, she said sundress, but make it coven. Oopsie. I mean, I don't really have much to say about this one. It's a little black linen sundress, something that I kind of think we all need. Dress it up, dress it down, cute little bag. I keep trying to think of like scenarios for all these outfits, but realistically, the only person seeing this is going to be like the cashier behind the till, you know. But I mean, a girl can dream. Hopefully this lockdown stuff is over. I'm not gonna lie guys, like, I'm actually really starting to struggle in lockdown. Like, I can't even remember what normal life is like. It's getting to the stage I'm watching films, I'm like watching old people's holiday vlogs, and I see them pick something up in a supermarket and put it down, and I'm like, you idiot. And then I'm like, oh my god, no, like, there was a time, once upon a time, where lockdown didn't exist and you didn't have to wipe down all your shopping every time it came in. Quite enough of that. Anyway, cute black sundress. Don't really have much more to say about it. Really nice fit. Next item. Oh my god, I just saw my bingo ring flat. There's a new insecurity I didn't know I had. Woo! Okay, so this next item is really fun. I'm actually just going to put it over what I've already got on now. I saw this on the website and I feel like, especially, I saw this on the website and I just thought these kind of things are just always great to have. They're great to have as gym tops, great with a pair of cycling shorts, like great to even just have as like a lounge about top.
I only just realised on the top it says, I beat the cube. I don't know why, but that's just really tickled me.
It's this fun little Rubik's Cube top. Really nice length actually. I think I got this in a size medium. I was contemplating getting the small and I am glad I got the medium in the end. Perfect oversized fit. I kind of like how the sleeves are like a little bit longer as well. It gives it a bit more of a boyish fit. Once again, don't really have much to say about this. Cute with like a cute little shoulder bag, maybe a big black blazer. In my last video, I got so many comments about the fact I was like, pair everything with the blazer, but honestly, once you turn over to the blazer side, your life will be changed. BRB whilst I braid my granddad's wardrobe for his blazers. Oh my god, you guys are gonna love this next outfit. I can feel it. My senses are tingling. Oh my god, the vibes are I love this top so much. So simple. I don't know why I don't own something like this already. Once again, a cute little shoulder bag. Just so fun and easy. These jeans are actually also from Nasty Gal. They're not like part of the stuff I was sent though. I was like sent these a while ago, and I feel like it's fun to have that sort of like extreme crop. It's kind of, is it 80s or is it 90s? I feel like when I say things are 80s and 90s, they're what I think the 80s and 90s are. Maybe these are like early 2000s. Okay, this is a clothing haul and not a fashion history lesson. I feel like having a lot of belly out is kind of like a statement, is it? I don't know what I'm talking about. But these jeans do kind of sit below the waist, so it does show like the band of underwear. Like all the underwear I wear is like the high leg hip ones. Okay, once again, this is a clothing haul, not showing my underwear. But it would be cool if you had like a pair of Calvin Klein boxers that you could like pull up a bit and have the waistband showing. If you're into that, I think it would look cool. But yeah, big thumbs up from me. Just a fun, easy top. It's really flattering. You can like adjust the tie here. Simple, plain at the back. Oh my god, this next item, guys. Kind of don't know what I was thinking ordering this, but it's gorgeous. Just, can I carry this sort of energy? Oh my god. Oh my god, excuse the ugly black straps. Wow, I really know how to ruin a dress. I mean, this is quite something. I don't have a mirror, so I can't even really fully see. One thing I will say is it kind of like catches on the hairs, like on your legs, and like pulls out the hairs. It is incredibly low back. Obviously you'd need to work out some sort of like bra solution. You probably maybe just need nipple covers or something, or like one of those sort of sticky bras, but this really is quite amazing. Like, I was about to say Ocean Beach Ibiza, but is that even happening this year? I don't know. You know, this isn't Tesco's trip. This is like Waitrose trip. This is Whole Foods trip. You know what I mean? Oh my god, I just did the Debbie Ryan, like... God bless Debbie Ryan, by the way. What a lovely woman. I am really vibing with it, to be honest. I really like it. I don't know if I'd have the confidence to like wear this just simply to the club, but it's so sparkly. Like, these bits are so fun. I guess you could kind of have them like at the back. Oh, I like them at the back, I think, more than the front, but I don't really know how to tie it. Like, I feel like it's gonna come undone at any point, and that is on my part. I just need to learn how to work this dress a little bit better. But a big thumbs up from me. I mean, there's no denying that this is pretty special. I would need to take up the length a bit because it is quite long, but that is obviously on my height, not on the dress, and it's slipping. Okay, wait, is that everything? No, it's not. It feels so weird to be wearing pajamas, like wearing this much makeup and all these necklaces. So the very last items I have to show you are a cute little pajama set. Woo! I am really becoming quite the pajamas collectors, especially like these little satiny sets. I just think they are so cute and they're so comfy and perfect for like this time of year. And not gonna lie, my daily attire is pajamas. I mean, I'm sure yours would be too if you worked from home. You're not fooling anyone. These are so cute. I just thought they'd be nice to add to my collection. I have a pair with like pink unicorns on it, and then I also actually have another pair from Nasty Gal, which are like the blue satiny spaceship pajamas, which loads of you guys asked me about. They've got so many cute sets like this on their website. I always think these would make a really nice gift. Like, who doesn't want to wear silky pajamas? You know? And yeah, I'm pretty sure that is everything. I mean, I don't think I've missed anything out. So that is the end of this video, guys. I really hope you did all enjoy it. If you did, please don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up. I will have everything linked in the description box down below. I do hope you all enjoyed it. I hope you are all staying home and staying safe. I hope you're all happy and in good high spirits. I love you all so much, and I will see you all very soon. Bye. And follow my Instagram. It's down there. Okay. Bye.